Introducing the all-new AR series luminaires, a multifunctional, feature-rich fixture capable of exceeding the most stringent demands in most industries, including food processing. Designed to raise the benchmark for high-output industrial and specification-grade luminaires, the AR series have gone through rigorous design, testing, and refinements to produce a fixture that delivers over 33,000 lumens in a package that is suitable for many environments, including food processing, chemical, marine, and many more. Reducing the total number of required luminaire types for many projects is a major challenge. The AR utilizes a variety of mounting options to provide a universal system that solves this problem. The unique design of the AR provides improved airflow and optimized operating temperatures. By running at an optimized temperature, the lifespan and efficiency of the LEDs is greatly increased. High-pressure copper-free die-cast aluminum housing protected with a multi-layered Tiger powder-coated finish is used for maximum reliability. This ensures easy cleaning and a very smooth surface to prevent debris buildup. The AR can withstand long-term exposure to hazardous locations, substantial temperature ranges, marine and vessel applications, and harsh cleaning agents. Two independent auto ranging power supplies offer increased reliability and redundancy. Built-in temperature controls can reduce the output to achieve junction point temperature reduction. Available in two input power ranges of 120 to 277 and 347 to 480 VAC. 100% field serviceable platform that is ready for future upgrades. Available standard in 5000 Kelvin with high CRI options and special order options ranging from 2700 to 6500 Kelvin. 17 optical profiles to choose from allows the AR to be customized for many environments. With 5 lumen output options, advanced optics, and 7 mounting styles, the AR is the #1 industrial and specification grade luminaire that covers most challenging applications.